To peel an eggplant, first, rinse the eggplant under cool, running water and pat it dry with clean paper towels. Cut the stem and bottom ends off of the eggplant with a sharp kitchen knife. Hold the eggplant in your non-dominant hand with the bottom end braced against a flat surface, like a cutting board. With your dominant hand, position a vegetable peeler at the top edge of the eggplant and pull it downward along the length of the eggplant to remove a strip of skin. Keep removing strips of peel until the eggplant is completely skinless. You may need to touch up any spots that you missed. If you don't have a vegetable peeler, you can also use a sharp paring knife. Work carefully to avoid cutting yourself or accidentally stripping away the flesh of the eggplant, as well as the peel.